Today I'm preparing plantain and peanut porridge. With that a little bit different. I'm putting oats in there and I'm making it the real yard style here with your natural coconut milk. Cook down, broke up some bread and butter in there. Yeah, just how we used to eat it. So let's get started. Alright, I have my 2 fingers of green plantain and I'm using the old-fashioned oats. I have the dry coconut, raw peanut. I have some fresh cinnamon that is dried, leaf and stick. And I also have some other cinnamon stick that I'll use for the finishing. Rose water, vanilla, this is half cup of brown sugar. I have nutmeg, yeah, mixed spice, full cream sweetened condensed milk, ground cinnamon, and yeah, the hard dough bread. Alright, so first I'm gonna put on the water and start with the cinnamon. So let's go. I'm adding 1 liter of water in the pot now, along with my dry cinnamon leaf and a pinch of salt. Now everybody don't put salt in their porridge, but I like a little bit of salt in there because to me it balances out the flavors. So we're going to leave this, bring that to a boil so you can diffuse the cinnamon, the flavor of the cinnamon in the water. And then in the meantime we're going to go to grate the coconut. I'm already dry bone coconut. You probably should have used a machine to rock it. Alright. My boss man. Yes. I'm doing it inside and I'm trying not to waste my water because I want my water to drink. Woo. Hurt me heart right now, my water, that's sure. Sure. Yes. We are country girls. Half of this to make my Rastaman soup. Alright. Everything is out. I'm gonna wash this and grate it. Alright. So I'm not going to grate it anymore because guess what? Anybody who used to grate a coconut when them little know that by the time the coconut finish, maybe we eat half of it already and teeth out the sugar. So in keeping with our tradition, this is to go about coconut and sugar for me and my kids. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that aside and juice this up. So now I'm squeezing the coconut milk. I'm extracting the juice and you want to squeeze it properly. So you rinse it out in the water, squeeze it, and then you strain it through a strainer so you don't get any of the trash inside the milk. And that's what we're going to use to cook our porridge to give it that delicious fresh coconut flavor. Our milk is ready. Alright, now look at that cinnamon. Whew! Wish you could. It smells so gorgeous. Whoa! Alright, in with that coconut milk. Catch your pot cover on the side. You don't want it boil over. Now I'm going to blend the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so I'm using 1 large size plantain, green plantain. And this is how I peel my green plantain. Anyway, how you want to cut it, that's fine. There. This is 1.5 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of raw peanuts, I have add 1.5 cup of water. Let's see if it needs more. We'll add the rest. Then I'm gonna blend on high first. So I'm gonna put it on my chopped salt. A little bit thick. And give him a stir. Add the rest of the water. So that be a total of 2 cups of water. Blend him again. And I'm looking because I don't want to get it too smooth, because I don't like when my plantain and peanut porridge too smooth. So there, that's the consistency of it. Oops. Yeah, this nice and me a little bit nutty. All right. I'm adding in that plantain and peanut mixture of my oats. And you want to give this a nice stir when you're putting it in, because you don't want any lump. Even though our porridge is a little bit nutty, you still don't want it to lump up. You're still looking for a smooth consistency. You want to continue stirring this until it comes back to a boil before you can leave it on its own to cook. Versus like they're smooth, I just don't like mine smooth. This is how I like mine. I like to be chewing while I'm drinking my peanut porridge, or my pot is getting thick but still smooth. You have to stir it real good, you know. A real trunk back porridge this. It's not something to feed the kids every day of the week, but it's something to feed the hubby. You want to give it to him every day of the week, that's up to you. I don't know. I drink it. But I'm a hard-working woman. So sometimes this is just what the body calls for. Alright, so we're going to leave this to cook and come back. Well, it's been 15 minutes. There I eat coconut and sugar. See? I'm gonna wash my hands to sweeten the porridge. You can smell the coconut milk. And see, porridge is still smooth. Well, other than the little nutty peanuts and stuff that I leave in there, it's smooth, very smooth. In with my half cup of sugar, vanilla, and I never measure these, I just pour them into my liking. My rose water, a splash of cinnamon powder, my mixed spice, and this is pasty, and my nutmeg. I have grated nutmeg, but there's this joy and pleasure that comes from grating a nutmeg that I really like, so I always grate it. Right, throw in my sweet milk and mix him around. You don't want to throw too much in there. And I'm using my sweetened condensed milk. Now I don't know how thick you like your porridge. This is a consistency I like my porridge with. I don't like it watery, but I don't like it like a pudding either. I like something that I can drink, sip and drink. No, not when I have to cut it no spoon. No, and I like my thing so. Why? Smell good. Smell the coconut milk. The peanut. Yeah. Real Rasta business. Somebody's gonna be in trouble, but it's not me. Taste him if you want nothing else. So a little more milk. Crisp like a biscuit. This, yeah. Alright guys, just some extra garnish on my plate. A little more nutmeg. So I put in a little more cinnamon. And drizzle a little bit more of that milk over it. So you don't want to make your porridge overly sweet. Well, how I like my porridge anyway. So it may not be how you like yours. This is just how I like mine. Bread time. Alright, so we have our lovely hard dough bread, soft and nice. First time people used to broke it, but modern day time now. Even though I did great at the coconut, so I guess I'm not so modern after all. Boy, what this need right now? Some hot Milo tea. The porridge ready. Bread and butter with porridge, peatings. Who beg now get, who no beg don't want. Alright, you know how we do it. Greedy people like me. Broke up your bread down. Greedy people. Peanut. In a box. Alright. Please, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, try my dish, let me know what you think. God bless you. Love you all.